Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mayan. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Hi, how you doing?
Uh, I'm sleeping.
Oh, I see. So you just woke up?
No,
I see. I mean, were you sleeping or are you still sleepy?
I'm sleeping.
Oh, I see. Yeah, hopefully you can go back to sleep later on. But you know what? I'm sorry.
What?
Yes, Mayan.
No, my parents are say,
Oh, you're talking to them. I see. Okay, anyway, Mayan, what's the weather today?
uh, is so hot.
Oh, similar here in my place. But what about yesterday? Did it rain yesterday in your place?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Yes, I missed rainy season. But I think next month or in the month of July it's gonna be rainy season here in the Philippines. But this time is a summer time, so it's very hot. And so does in Vietnam. But anyway, today will be our lesson is all about personality. Okay. So what is personality, Mayan?
Mm, uh, is uh like a friendly or like a or yeah,
That's
like
right.
that.
So very good. Yes. Okay. So friendly is one of the example of personality. Okay. And you are correct. Okay. So when we say personality, this refers to the characteristics of a person. For example, my mom is caring. Okay. Because she cares for everyone in the family. So she is caring. My dad is funny because he like making people laugh. So he's funny. Okay, and there are so many personalities that we can describe a person. Or I mean there are so many adjectives that we can describe someone's personality. Okay. Now, Mayan, as usual, this lesson is divided into three. We have the vocabulary, reading and questions, then discussion at the end. So let's get started. Look, listen, and repeat. Personality.
A personality.
Very good. Okay, introverted.
Introverted.
Very good. Okay, so here, what is your favorite personality, Mayan?
Is friendly.
Being friendly. Very good. Are you a friendly person?
Yes, maybe.
Oh, yes, you are a friendly person. Okay, do you like talking to strangers?
Mm, yes.
Wow, nice. Then yes, you are a friendly person. But we really have to be careful if we talk to strangers because there are people who would take advantage of us. Yes. So you really have to be
Yes.
careful of how friendly you are. Because if someone might see you as a very friendly person, sometimes they would take advantage of your friendliness. Yeah, so we really have to be careful. But that is a very good character, Mayan. So keep it up. Now, next we have here introverted. Do you have any idea what is the meaning of introverted, Mayan?
Mm, Introverted. Uh, they like alone and
That's
not
right.
friendly.
Oh, yes. Well said, Mayan. Okay, introverted is a person who doesn't want to socialize with other people. They just like their own space. And they do have friends, but only few. Let's say one friend, two or three friends. Yeah, that's the circle of an introverted person. Okay, and they tend to be very quiet and shy. Yes, but you know what? What's the
Yes.
good thing about introverted person is they can keep a secret, and your secret safe with them if you're going to share it to them. Yes, because they don't like talking too much. So, yes, as
Yeah.
quiet as they just keep your secret within themselves. Okay, so what about you, Mayan? Are you an introverted person?
Mm, no.
Oh, I see. Okay, who is an introverted person in your family?
No. Nobody.
Nobody. All right, but do you know someone who is an introverted person?
No.
No. Oh, I see. Okay. Now, next we have here extroverted.
Extroverted.
Very good. Okay, so what is an extroverted man?
Uh, they talk very wait. Uh, they like friendly. Yeah,
That's
and
right.
have so many friends.
Very good. So it is the complete opposite of being an introverted person. So when you are an extroverted person, that means you like to socialize with other people, you like to be with them, you like to party, you're very talkative, you're not shy, you're outgoing, you're very active, and you don't feel lonely when you are with other people. And extroverted person don't like to be alone, they really want to be with other people, and they are very good at talking, they are good at presentation in our class, they also like role playing. Yeah, those are the talents of extroverted person. Okay, so Mayan, if you are not an introvert if you're not an introverted person, are you an extrovert?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, what makes you an extroverted person, Mayan?
I have so many friends.
Very
Yeah.
good. Okay. Now next we have here hardworking.
Hardworking.
Yes. Okay, so who is a hardworking in your family? Or who is the hardworking in your family?
It's my mom.
Wow, very good. How hard does your mom work?
Yeah, uh she go to work and sometimes she go home and uh like uh, it's like a washing. Well, wait a minute.
Y- You mean she works overtime?
Oh yes.
Yes. Wow. She is indeed a hard worker, and she is very hardworking. Okay. What about you, Mayan? Are you the type of student that is very hardworking?
Yes.
Oh, nice, Mayam. So keep, it's nice. So keep it up. Okay. Now next we have here lazy.
Lazy.
Okay. Now what is lazy, Mayam?
Uh uh Lazy that they are not work anymore.
Yes. Okay, they don't like working. They just want to eat, sleep, watch movie, eat, sleep, movie, and repeat. They don't even like to go for a walk and exercise. That's how lazy. A person
Yes.
who doesn't like to work. Okay, now do you know someone who is lazy, man?
Yeah, it's my friends.
Oh, yes. Okay, now is lazy a good personality or not?
No.
Yes, absolutely not. Okay. Now, what do you do to encourage to I what do you do to encourage your friends not to be lazy? Or how do you encourage them not to be lazy?
Mm, I think I uh oh mm, I don't know.
All right. Okay. So how do we encourage them? Maybe we can just say, "Hey, don't be lazy." Is it effective? I think not, right? Okay, even me, I don't
Yes.
know how to encourage a lazy person. I just let them be who they are. Yes. If they're lazy, I have nothing to do about it. That's their life. Okay. Anyway,
Yes.
next we have here helpful.
Helpful.
Very good. So what is helpful, man?
Uh I they help somebody to work, yeah,
That's wow, very
or
good.
something,
Or
or some something what uh, is I having work or in their life.
yes. Okay. So, do you know anyone who is very helpful?
It's my dad.
Your dad. Wow, nice. Okay, so how does your dad help you, Mayan?
Mm, he helped me to do homework.
Very good. He is indeed a helpful person. Okay, so what about in your friends? Do you have a friend who is very helpful?
Yes.
Wow, nice. And how does your friend help you?
Yeah, is my friends or help me to uh wait like give me some food and give me some clothes.
Ah, yes, that is actually an example of a scenario where someone is being helpful. And of course, they're not just helpful, but they are also generous. Okay, if somebody would give you something, that makes them generous. For example, okay, I'm gonna give you money because you don't have allowance anymore. So that is me being generous, just like your friends or your friend, since he or she gave you some clothes and some food, she is very generous. Yes, and helpful also because she helps you to have some food and some clothes. Great, Mia. Okay, now next we have your
Mm,
quiet.
quiet.
Yes. Okay, so are you a quiet type of person, Mayan?
Mm, sometimes
Yes. Okay, so when is the time that you are very quiet?
is I study and I will be quiet.
That's right, because we really have to focus, right? So that all the words, knowledge that we're reading will be absorbed by our mind. Okay, great, Mayan. And also, Mayan, me, I am just quiet if I have some problem because I am thinking too much on how to solve it like that. That makes me very quiet too. Okay, so next we have here talkative. Okay, what is talkative,
Talk
Mayan?
Uh, eh, wait. Uh, they talks a lot.
That's right.
Yeah,
Okay, this is the complete opposite of being quiet. They talk so much, they're loud, and they cannot
yeah.
keep their mouth shut. Yes. Okay. Now, next we have here kind.
Kind.
Very good. Who is the most or who is the kindest person that you know, man?
Mm, I think is everybody.
Everyone?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's really nice. Okay. What about you? Are you also a kind person?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now, next we have here selfish.
Selfish.
Okay. A selfish person is someone who only thinks about their self. They don't care about other people. All they think is me, me, me. Okay, they don't like to
Yeah.
share, they don't like to help, they just focus on their self. They are also called self-centered because they just
Yeah.
focus on their self. Okay, now next we have here careful.
Careful.
Nice. Okay, what do you mean by careful, Mayan?
Yeah. Uh, they wait. Uh, they are. Um, I I don't know to say that.
That's all right, but I know that you understand careful. When we say someone who is very careful, that means they behave thoroughly, okay? And they're not
Yeah.
careless. So careful
Yes.
is the opposite of being careless. If you are a very careless person, you just don't care where you put all your things. But if you are a careful person, you are very mindful to your belongings. And of course, you make sure that everything goes well. Yeah,
Yeah.
what I mean by that is when it comes to their movement, they believe in the saying that slowly but surely. That is being careful. Yes, for
Yes.
example, if you're gonna do your homework, you take it so slowly, but you are making sure that all answers are correct. That is you being careful. Okay, and next we have here careless.
Careless.
Very good. Okay, now what is careless, man?
Uh, it's like clumsy.
Very good. The perfect word is clumsy. Nice. Okay. Are you a careful person or a careless one, man?
What? Can you say again?
Oh, are you a careful person or a careless?
Uh, uh wait. Yeah, I think. I think I between.
In between?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yeah, because there are times that we are very careless, even me. Yeah, if sometimes I would just drop my phone on the floor, and that is me being careless. Yes, because no one's perfect. There are times where we have to be very careful, and there are just times that we just have to be ourselves and without thinking too much. Okay, and that is completely fine, Mayan. Okay, now next we have here funny.
Funny.
Okay, so do you know this
Wow.
person?
Wow. Wow. Funny.
Yes. Do you know this person, Mayan?
What? Wow. Uh, it's they make uh wait a minute.
Okay, sure.
Mm, they make uh wait, uh they make someone to happy and uh, yeah.
Yes, you are correct. Okay, being funny makes other people happy. Yes, if you are a funny person, people would laugh at you because you are making jokes that makes them happy and laughing. So that is a funny person. All right. Now next we have here serious.
Serious.
Great. So what is a serious person?
Uh, they uh, is not happy or not sad. Is uh, I, I don't think that uh they just insensitive.
Oh, yes. Okay. So when we say serious person, they can be very sensitive sometimes. And of course, they take everything seriously. Okay. They don't like making jokes. Okay. When they are working, they are very serious. Okay. So if you are a serious person, it's very rare to see you smiling. Yes, because
Yes.
they just have this specific face. Like they don't laugh, they don't smile. They're not even angry. That's just how their facial expression is. Yes. So, Mayan, which personality do you have? Being a funny one or the serious one?
Uh, is funny.
Funny. Wow, that's really great, Mayan. Okay. Now next we have here humorous.
Humorous.
Yes. Okay. So here, when we say humorous, we can see in the picture of a clown because a clown is very funny and they have a sense of humor that make people laugh too. They would make stupid jokes. They would make fun of themselves just to see you happy. That is someone who is very humorous. Okay. Now next we have here confident.
Confident.
Great. Okay, so if you are a confident person, that means you believe in yourself and you know the things that you can do and you cannot do. And being a confident person is very important. Yes. Okay, so are you a confident person, Mayan?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Okay, now look at this one. Oh, there are so many words. Okay, next we have punctual.
Punctual.
Yes. So what is punctual, Mayan?
Mm, is uh, uh, I don't. I don't know to say that.
That's all right. Okay, so when we say punctual, this refers to the person who arrived before or on time. Yes. Okay, for example, um, your math class starts at 8 o'clock. Okay, if you arrived in school at 7:30 or before 8 o'clock, then you are a punctual person. But if you late, but if you arrived after 8 o'clock, then you're not punctual. Okay, a punctual person is someone who is very strict when it comes to time. They don't like being late. Okay, and lastly, we have the next one, responsible.
Uh, Responsible.
Very good. Okay, what do you mean by responsible man? Do you have an idea?
No.
All right, that's okay. But do you understand the word responsible?
Yes.
Very good. So if you are a responsible person, okay, you know what to do and you do the things that you have to do. For example, in doing your homework, if you can submit your homework before the deadline, that means you are a responsible student. But if you cannot submit your homework before the deadline, then you are an irresponsible student. Okay. So now let's take a look at with the next. Wow, finally we're done with the vocabulary. Let's play a game, Mayan. Okay, I want you to look and click on the cups.
This music is brought to you by
So
White.
which cup are you going to open? Hold on. Which cup would you like to open?
It's number 2.
Two.
This music is
All right. Okay, so game over immediately. Okay. Anyway, let's proceed with our reading and question, Mayan. Okay, so this time, let's learn some phrases. Okay, look, listen, and say. Ask about personality.
Ask about personality.
Very good. Okay, so if we ask about someone's personality, we can say, what is she like? What is your father like? Or what is she like? We can say, what is somebody's personality? What is your father's personality? Or what is her personality? Okay, now we also have here answer about personality.
Answer about personality.
Great. If somebody asks you about someone's personality, then there is a structure that we have to follow. We have he or she plus the linking verb is and the adjective. For example, she's funny. Another example, what is your father like? He's kind and helpful. Or my father is kind and helpful. Another example, what is she like? Or what is her personality? Then you can say she is humorous. Okay, now let's practice, man. What is your mother like?
My mother is friendly and careful.
Very good. She is friendly and careful. Great. Okay, now let's look at Peter. Okay, he talks about personality of his family. I want you to look and read, man.
Mm, People talk about personality of his family member. All four people in my family have different personalities. My younger brother is really funny. It's great to spend time with him. He often tells jokes, and I love listening to him tell jokes. He is also careful. What can I say about my dad's personality? He's he's hardworking and kind. He grew up in a farm, so he knows a lot about animals. He loves animals and he considers them as his friends. My mother is a very caring and hardworking person. She takes care of all my family members. She can work all day without feeling tired. Many people say that she is very helpful. She's really to help other people. About me, I am quiet but very reliable. My friends, relatives, and family trust me a lot. I am proud of that.
Very good. Thank you so much for reading this one, Mayan. So far, so good. All pronunciations and intonations are correct. Now, Mayan, look at the text about Peter. Do you have any question about it?
No,
Nice. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. How many people are there in Peter's family?
uh, is are four people are in Peter family.
Nice. Okay, so what is his brother's personality?
Yeah, uh, Peter brother is really funny.
That's right.
Yeah,
Peter's brother is really funny. Very good. Okay, what about his father's personality?
he's hardworking and kind.
Nice. How about his mother's personality?
Uh, she is very caring and hardworking.
Great job. And what about Peter?
Uh, he is quiet but very reliable.
That's right. Okay, I want you to say reliable.
Reliable.
Very good. Do you know the definition of reliable, Mayan?
No.
Okay, so when we say a reliable person, this refers to the person who can be trusted. They are worthy of our trust. We can depend on them too. That makes them a reliable person. Now, let me give you an example of it. Okay, for example, your parents are traveling to the United States of America. Okay, then your parent would tell you, okay, Mayan, since you are the eldest, I want you to take good care of your siblings, which is your brothers and sisters. Okay, then you would say, yes, dad, I will. Okay, then your dad would tell you, can I trust you with that? You can say, yes, dad, you can trust me. Okay, so when your parents leave, okay, there's no one in the family, but it's only you. Okay, so of course, you take care of your siblings, you wash the dishes, you feed them, you you tell them to do their homework and household chores. Okay, then you are a reliable person, responsible, and you are worthy of your father's trust because your father trusted you, and your father can also depend on you to take care of your siblings. So that is reliable. Another one, okay? So for example, you are the class treasurer in your classroom. Class treasurer refers to someone who would keep the money that he or she collected from her classmates because they have a project or a homeroom project. Okay. Then, if you are a reliable person, you are not going to use the money that isn't yours. Okay, so your teacher trusted you, so that makes you a reliable person. Okay, so what will happen if I'm gonna use the money teacher? Okay, then you're not reliable person. You cannot be trusted. So in short, reliable person means someone that can be trusted and someone whom you can depend on. Are we clear on that?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so is there any word or phrases here, May, and that you're not familiar with?
Mm, no.
No, great. Okay, now let's take a look at the questions here. Let me see the questions that I haven't asked you before. Oh, who is your close friend, Mayan, and what is his or her personality?
Mm, yeah. Uh, wait. Mm, close friend. Yes. Uh, I think that's my.
Do you have a close friend?
Yes, I have a close friend.
Very good. Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl.
Nice. So what is she like?
Mm, she so friendly and so careless.
Oh, wow. All right. So I like how you describe her. One positive personality and the second one is negative personality. Very good. Okay. So, Mayan, are you a hardworking person or lazy?
What?
Oh, look at this one. Here. Are you a hardworking person or lazy?
Yeah, yeah. I think I'm between.
In between of two, yeah, because there are some days where we just want to do nothing, right? Or we just don't want to do
Yeah.
anything and just lay on our bed, and that makes us lazy. And there are also some days where we work so hard. Okay. Yeah, because every day is not a perfect day. There are days where we are very productive, and there are days that we aren't productive, and that is okay. Yeah, because we're just human. Okay. So, Mayan, are you careful or oh, I already asked you this one. Okay, so Mayan, what is your brother's personality that you like the most?
Mm. What? Can you say again?
What is the personality of your brother that you like the most?
Mm, she's so helpful.
Wow, nice.
She's helpful.
Okay, okay, great. So what about your sister, Mayan?
My sister is so careful.
Great. Okay, so anyway, Mayan, thank you so much for joining our class. So we'll just call it a day because it's already time. Have a great day. Thank you for joining our makeup class and see you tomorrow. Bye bye, Mayan.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.